Have you ever noticed that some people seem to have a way of changing lives wherever they go? They don't always have the biggest platform, the most impressive resume, or the loudest voice, but somehow people leave their presence feeling encouraged, more hopeful, more capable, and more inspired. What if I told you that is leadership? Not the kind of leadership that comes from a title or a position of authority, the kind that comes from positive influence and impact. Because real leadership isn't about telling people what to do. It's about helping people become who they're capable of becoming. And here's the beautiful part. You don't have to wait for someone to give you permission to become a leader. Leadership doesn't begin the day someone gives you a title. It begins the moment you decide your life can positively influence and impact someone else's. Maybe you've encouraged a friend who is ready to give up. Maybe you've inspired someone simply by overcoming your own challenges. Maybe you've helped someone believe in themselves when they couldn't see their own potential. These moments matter. These moments are leadership. I think many people spend years waiting to feel qualified. They tell themselves, I need more experience. I need another certification. I need more confidence. Or I need to have it all figured out first. But you see, confidence rarely comes before action. It grows because of action. Leadership works the same way. You don't become a leader overnight. It happens one conversation at a time. One act of kindness at a time. One lesson learned, one person encouraged, one life touched. Leadership isn't one big moment. It's thousands of small moments and choices. Moments where you choose to show up with courage and compassion and empathy and a genuine desire to help others thrive and be their best. And maybe that's why you've been feeling that quiet pull lately. The desire to make a bigger impact. The feeling that you're just capable of more. The sense that helping people goes deeper than simply sharing information. Maybe the leader inside you is simply waiting for you to recognize them. Because the world doesn't just need more experts. It needs more heart-centered, purpose-driven leaders. And people who lead with integrity and service. People who are committed to their own growth so they can help others grow too. And this is what wellness leadership is all about. It's recognizing that true well-being and living our best lives, it isn't just about the physical. It's also emotional and intellectual, spiritual, environmental, and social. When we help people thrive in all these different dimensions of life, we help transform their life experience. Imagine what would happen if more people embraced that kind of leadership. Imagine stronger relationships, healthier communities, more resilient workplaces, more compassionate conversations, more people believing in themselves because someone believed in them first. That is the ripple effect of inspired leadership. And it begins with one simple decision: to become the best version of yourself so you can help others do the same. Maybe you're already a leader and you just haven't recognized it yet. Or maybe you are standing at the beginning of a journey that's much bigger than you realize. A journey of learning, growing, living with intention, and helping others thrive along the way. If this message resonated with you, I'd love to invite you to take my free quiz, Discover Your Wellness Leadership Potential. In just a few minutes, you'll discover where you are on your leadership journey, uncover your unique stage of growth, and receive personalized guidance on what your next step could be as you continue expanding your impact through holistic well-being. You'll find the link in the description below. And remember, the world doesn't need you to become someone else. It simply needs you to become more of who you're here to be. Because the leader inside you may already be changing lives. And now it's time to discover just how far that leadership can reach. Keep learning with intention, living with purpose, leading with heart. Keep becoming the inspired leader the world is waiting for. Much love, difference maker.